Waterfront remodeled beauty directly on the Peace River with endless views. Extensively remodeled with a mid-century modern flair with sprawling great room, 2 guest suites with shared bathroom and an additional pool bath and laundry room. Remodeled kitchen with granite counters, custom cabinets, stainless steel appliances including gas stove top. Upstairs is the master suite, almost all windows with direct panoramic views of the Peace River. Master suite also has a very large covered balcony with amazing custom ceiling detail, wrap-around pony wall and railings, and is a wonderful retreat and escape. Current owners have remodeled the home, brand new roof, interior and exterior paint, new flooring. The list is endless and the home is ready to move into. The outdoors is a vibrant living space, pavered and screened lanai, sparkling and heated pool, tons of lawn space, enough for a tennis/pickleball court, and so much more. This home was previously in a very successful vacation rental program. There is also a very rare shared boat launch with a neighbor, and you have direct boating access to Charlotte Bay, Gulf of Mexico, and the beautiful islands that surround us.